Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be creating an eye look. As you can see, I have most of my face done. I'm missing my eyes and my lips, and I wanted to do that with you guys. I actually want to do like a spring eye look. So I'm going to start doing these type of videos every month. I'm going to try to use as much of the eyeshadow palettes I have and create different looks. And hopefully you guys have the same palette or similar shades and that you can actually follow along. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So let's get started. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is from Colourpop. And this one is not so old. It's like recent, maybe the end of last year. It's Garden Variety, this palette, and I actually bought it in the, I think it was Black Friday sale from last year, if I'm not mistaken. But I really like this palette. I haven't used it. I bought it because I like the color story. It's very pastel and spring look. As you can see in the outside, a lot of flowers and pastel colors. It's really pretty. So in here, there are mostly shimmer shades, but there are some mattes that you can use for the transition and the crease area. So I want to do kind of like 3 different shades of color, like peach, maybe yellow. There's no yellow here, but there's like this one is kind of more similar in the more towards the yellow beige side. So I want to do that too, and then the green as well. And like I said, the peachy tone. So let's start with the crease area and the transition shade with this one right here. Okay, so let's start with that. I get my brush, start doing this. This is actually similar to my skin tone, so that's why it's good for that crease transition shade. Kind of start getting like a color into my eye. Okay, so same thing on the other eye. And actually, I can't wait for spring too. I really like the colors of spring, the flowers and everything, so I'm excited for that. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to go with this shade right here. It says, oh sorry, the shade that it shows for the transition shade is the Pretty Please. It's called Pretty Please. So now I'm gonna go with Over the Bloom, which is this peachy tone, and it has like a little of shimmer in it too. I'm not sure if it's gonna transfer in the eye, like if you're ever gonna see it. So let's just attempt to see it. So I'm gonna put it in the outer corner and then kind of drag it a little bit to the crease area. And here, bring it out a little bit, okay? So let's see if I could drag it a little bit up. I do want it to show when I open my eye. And then we do the same thing on the other eye. Bringing it out. It's a really pretty color. I actually I'm gonna go again on the other eye. And then I actually want to wear lashes today as well. And hopefully that makes the eye look better. Okay, so now for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in the inner corner and then I'm gonna go in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the inner lid with this color right here, which is Third Eye. It's a very particular name. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, you can really tell the color. Let me see if I could go with my finger. Oh yeah, with the finger you can see. Wow, so much better. Okay, yeah. With the finger, you can actually tell the color. For the middle shade, I want to go with this green one, which is Best Bud. Okay, I know these colors does not work very well with brushes, but let's try so that we could kind of connect everything as well. Okay, I'm gonna go with the finger. That's it. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, much, much better with the finger. So I'm gonna try to fix this here and connect everything. Okay. and then try to go back and forth so the color shows. The green one, and go again with the yellow one, the inner corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with that at the top. I'm gonna do my other eye after, but I'm gonna go at the top with this color, the first transition color that I did, kind of connect everything together. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then we're gonna do the lower lash line as well. Okay, so what I did, the inner corner and inner lid, I did that yellow shade third eye. Okay, let's go in first with the brush on my finger. Okay, so now the middle, I'm gonna go in with the best bud, which is that green tone. I feel that the yellow is not showing that much, so I'm gonna try to go in again with the finger. That's what happened with these pastel colors as well. They barely show on the eye. That's why you have to wear a primer before too. And I'm gonna go in with the transition shade, which was the Prickly Please, for all over. Now for the inner corner, I'm gonna use that same yellow shade. There's a bit of fallout, but due to the little glitters, due to the shimmers, but nothing that you can't work with and you can fix. So this is the look so far. I want to go with the gel eyeliner for my waterline. I'm gonna use like a peachy tone. This is from Colourpop as well, and this is a cream gel liner in the color Peach Fuzz. Okay, so this is the liner. A really pretty peach shade. So this is going in my waterline. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go again with that peachy tone over the bloom, this one right here. And I'm gonna go here to connect everything. Okay, now that I did that, I actually want to try something different. I want to do like a graphic liner. So I'm gonna do a wing line with this same cream gel liner that I use for my waterline. I'm gonna do like a wing line, and then I'm gonna go kind of like on top of that crease area. I want to do like a graphic liner, something different. So this is the first time I'm gonna try this, so bear with me guys. So first I'm gonna do the wing line, and then I'm gonna do the graphic liner. So now I'm gonna do the other wing line, and then I'm gonna attempt to do the graphic liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna attempt the graphic liner. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it because it's a really light color. Just by doing this, I almost broke my entire pencil, my gel liner pencil. That's why it's better to do this type of looks with liquid liner. But this is what I have, so this is what I use. Okay, so this is the look I ended up doing. It's definitely something different than I'm used to, but I think it looks cool and very fresh and nice for spring. So now I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lashes to put together the whole look and then finish with the lips. I'm going to be off camera now and I'm going to put the lashes so that this whole look could be put together. I'm going to be using the Tarte Tarteist Pro in Goddess. These are the lashes. So I will be back and hopefully have the lashes on and we'll be back to putting the lip together. Okay guys, I am back with the lashes. This is the look, the final look with the lashes. I think it's very pretty and different than what I'm used to, definitely. But I like it. It's I think it's very fresh and perfect for spring. It's definitely in the graphic liner, and this is something not exactly graphic liner, but it's something similar and easy to do that you guys could follow along. Definitely, if you guys could get a liquid liner, it will be much better and easier than a crayon to do this, because I did break my gel liner like various times, and yeah, I definitely have to get liquid liner so I could create this look, because I like it and it's something different and chic that you guys could do. So now for the lips, I want to go something more mauvey pinkish to tie everything together. I have this new, well, first I'm gonna go with the lip liner. This is from Real Herb, and it's the I Love Myself lip liner. Remember guys that I do have a code with them if you want to get anything from their site. They are amazing. I have, I believe, a 20% code, and it's Lismania Beauty. I will be putting it here guys, so you guys could check it out if you want and save some money. So now I'm gonna line my lips. So now for the lipstick, I have this one from Milk Makeup. I haven't used this lipstick. I got it a long time ago, but I haven't used it. This is in, let me see, in the shade Wifey. So let me open it and show you guys. It has a really pretty packaging. This is their lip color. So it has a pretty white packaging. It's very simple, minimalistic. This, as you can see here, it's really nice. So I'm gonna give this a try. Yeah, this is the look guys. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, if you like this look, if you like this different thing that I did. And let me know if you guys are gonna try it. If you have done graphic liners before, how did it go your first time? This is my first time doing it, and I think it didn't go so bad. Just let me know in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching. Let me show you again the final look. This is the final look for spring. I hope you guys can recreate, and let me know if you do. Follow me on my Instagram, Lismania Beauty, and tag me so I could see the look that you created. And thanks again guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.